Dear children, welcome back to the channel. Trigonometric identities, you must be knowing them, right? In the last class I have discussed about them. You should remember them. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. The best way to remember them is to repeat them again and again. And you have to use them in the numericals also. In the problems also you should use them so that you can remember them. From this, I can write it like this also, right? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I can write like this also. Yes or no? I am sending that cos square theta that side. Yes or no? I can manipulate as I want. This one, how can I write? Can I write it as 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta? Of course, this is also fine. I can write now. Yes or no? So 1 I have kept this side only, tan square I sent that side. So secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Similarly, I can manipulate here also. As I want, I can do it. But there are some standard methods while solving the problem, so you have to follow them. Today I have brought some of the questions, important questions related to trigonometric identities and some other questions also I have brought from so many books. So let us solve them one by one. I made a note of all those questions. When you solve one after the other, you will get a lot of idea about all these questions. Let us take a question. Okay, solve this. Prove that cos theta into cosecant theta, cos theta into cosecant theta is equal to cot theta. They have asked one simple question. Try this. 1, 2, 3. I am solving it. Okay, how to do it? Tell me. You have to tell me, right? So LHS, let us take LHS. Left hand, by taking left hand side, we have to prove right hand side. So what is the LHS? Cos theta into cosecant theta. Now can I write it as cos theta into this cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Of course, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So cos theta divided by sin theta, it becomes cot theta, which is equal to RHS. We have solved this. I have got it as RHS. Cot theta only I got. Very simple, right? We haven't added the trigonometric identities yet. This is one of the simplest questions which we are solving. Let us get into next question now. Show that, they are asking you show that tan A into sin A, tan A into sin A plus cos A is equal to secant A. Okay, solve this. You have to solve by using the normal inverse trigonometric identities are also there. By using them you have to solve. Okay, let me solve it. LHS. I have to take LHS. What is LHS? Tan A into sin A plus cos A. Okay, fine. Now this tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A into sin A plus cos A. This is fine. Alright. Next, sin A into sin A, it becomes sin square A. Sin square A divided by it becomes cos A. Then again plus cos A. If nothing is there in the denominator, 1 will be there. Then I am going to take LCM. It becomes cos A. Okay. So ones are then 1. Here 1 is there, no? Cos A and 1. What will be the LCM? Cos A. Here cos A is there, that's why into 1. Here 1 is there, that's why into cos A. Okay. So sin square A into 1 means it becomes sin square A plus cos A into cos A, it becomes cos square A. So now sin square A plus cos square A is 1. This identity we know already. Yes or no? We have started using the identities now. So 1 divided by cos A. 1 by cos A. I want secant A, right? 1 by cos A can be written as secant A, which is equal to RHS. Are you getting these points, my dear children? Yes or no? So like this you have to making an approach towards the problems. Okay, let us get into next question. Observe that how simply we have solved it. When we go to the complicated problems, we will be having so many issues. So many issues as in you have to be using other identities also. So that's why I have started with the easiest problems with the first identity. Okay, let us get into next question. Third question or maybe question number you can keep on taking. Next, show that they are asking sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2. This is the question. Okay, now LHS. By seeing this, you will immediately understand this is expansion. A plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square. This is the expansion, right? So you have to take it as LHS. What is LHS? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus next sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Let us expand. This is a plus b whole square, right? A plus b whole square. It becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Again I have plus here, that is fine. A minus b whole square, it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Is it alright? Now when you observe, this is plus 2 sin theta cos theta, this is minus 2 sin theta cos theta, they get cancelled. Very simple, right? Now can you add this sin square theta plus cos square theta, it becomes 1 plus next again sin square theta plus cos square theta, it becomes 1. So 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. I had 2 in RHS, so that is equal to RHS. See, this is how you are supposed to make an approach towards these problems. Let us get into next question. These are the simple questions at the initial stage. Okay, fine. So let us see next question. Next question will be very important, I guess. Let us take fourth question. Okay, let us see whether you can do it or not. Show that cos square theta is equal to 1 over 1 plus tan square theta. 1 over 1 plus tan square theta. See, very simple, right? How to do it? Sir, here cos theta is there, tan square theta. How to do it? Okay, very simple. You have to see, you have to use presence of mind. LHS, what is LHS? Cos square theta. This cos square theta can be written as 1 over secant square theta, right? Of course, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. So that's why square is also fine. Next, 1 divided by secant square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. I got it. That is equal to RHS. Very simple. They appear very heavy. You will end up in writing this tan theta as sin theta divided by cos theta. You will do all kind of roundup. That is not needed. You have to use your presence of mind. This can be asked for 1 mark also. Very simple. Can you observe here? Cos square theta is written as 1 by secant square theta. Whenever you see such kind of identities, you should be observing it carefully and you should be doing it with a lot of presence of mind. Okay, fine. So let us get into next question. Let us take this question now. Now they are asking you, let me take it as show that 1 minus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus tan square a is equal to 1. This is also very simple. Observe this. Whenever I see these kind of identities, 1 plus tan square a, no need to write that tan a as sin a divided by cos a and all. Now 1 minus sin square a, can I write it as cos square a, or let me take it as per the LHS rule and RHS rule. So LHS, what is it? 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus tan square a. So 1 minus sin square a means, can I write it as cos square a? Sir, how will you write this? If you ask me, we had this identity, no? What is that? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So if I send sin square that side, 1 minus sin square a will become cos square a. Cos square a into 1 plus tan square a is secant square a. Fine. So cos square a can be written as 1 over secant square a. So secant square is kept like that. So secant square a get cancelled. So that is equal to 1. So that is equal to RHS. Dear children, what most of you do here is this tan square a, you write it as sin square a divided by cos square a. If you write like that, answer may come, but you will add up many steps in that. So that's why you have to be using these kind of identity to solve it easily. Okay, so let us get into next question now. Fine, I hope everybody is understanding all these problems. You have to get well versed with the identities. Whatever identities are there, you should be using them frequently. You should be solving most of the problems. That's the way to get perfect. Okay, let us take one more question. Now they have asked you like 1 minus sin square b, 1 minus sin square b into secant square b is equal to 1. Prove that. They are asking you to prove this. How to do it? Tell me again. LHS. What is LHS? 1 minus sin square b into secant square b. Okay, 1 minus sin square b. Here I have secant square b also. No? This can be written as cos square b. 1 minus sin square b. Just now I told you cos square b into secant square b. Then again this cos square b can be written as 1 over secant square b. Secant square b into secant square b. So they get cancelled. So that is equal to 1. That is also equal to RHS. See how simple it is. Okay. Let us get into next question now. What is the next question? Prove that 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta, 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta equal to 1. Solve it. Very simple. How will you do it? Again LHS. You have to take it as LHS. What is LHS? 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. Secant square theta into cos square theta. This secant square theta can be written as 1 over cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta, they get cancelled. So that is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Simple, right? You must be getting lot of fun while solving these kind of problems. Let's get into next question now. Okay, fine. Now let us take some of the interesting questions. These are the simple questions, right? Let us get into some interesting questions now. What is the 8th question? Okay, see this. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1. Okay, let us take LHS again. LHS, what is LHS? 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is how you have to make an approach, okay? Whenever you are solving in the exam, you take LHS and try to prove it equal to RHS. Now 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. Very simple. Next, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means it becomes a square minus b square. Done. A square minus b square. Then it is going to be secant square theta. Then 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta. Okay. This secant square theta can be written as 1 over cos square theta. Then I have cos square theta. So they get cancelled. Sorry. Cos square theta and cos square theta they get cancelled. So that is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. This is also done. Simple. Okay. Let's get into next question now. Let us take the question. How the question is asked. Now they are asking you prove that sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to 2 cosecant theta. Okay, this is interesting problem now. This becomes very interesting now. Try to solve it. Please write down the problem. I hope everybody is understanding what I am trying to say. Okay, let us solve that question now. Okay, fine. Give me some time so that I can rub it out. Let us see that. How it can be done. See here. LHS, let us take LHS. Okay, let me solve it here only. I need some space. So LHS. What is LHS? This problem we are supposed to write, no? So sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So that has to be brought into RHS. See here, there is no other option for us other than taking LCM. This is 1 plus cos theta and this is sin theta. So LCM becomes 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Fine? Alright. Now here is 1 plus cos theta. So I have to multiply with sin theta here. And this has to be multiplied with what I am supposed to multiply it with? 1 plus cos theta. Okay, fine. So sin theta and it is sin theta only, not sin square theta. So sin theta into sin theta, it becomes sin square theta. Are you understanding? 1 plus cos theta and sin theta LCM becomes 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, so I have multiplied as per the rule of division and multiplication. So that is sin square theta plus it is a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. It becomes 1 plus cos theta whole square. Let us expand this. So it becomes sin square theta plus a plus b whole square. So that is a square plus b square a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 1 into cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. As usual, it will be there. Alright, okay. Now let us expand this. It becomes, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it becomes 1, right? Can you observe? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is going to be 1. Again, 1 square is remaining as 1 only. Okay, let me write it. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. Plus 1 square is going to be 1. Plus again, 2 into 1 into cos theta, it becomes 2 cos theta. That is fine. Divided by, what is that? 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. This is also fine. Okay, now let us see here. 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. 2 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Alright, okay. Are you with me? Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Can I take 2 common here? If I take 2 common, it becomes 1 plus cos theta. Yes or no? If I take 2 common here, 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into what is remaining there? Sin theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, they get cancelled. So I am remaining with, what is remaining? 2 divided by sin theta. So 1 over sin theta, that is 2 into 1 over sin theta. 1 over sin theta means cosecant theta. So it becomes 2 cosecant theta. So which is equal to RHS. Can you see this? On RHS side, I have 2 cosecant theta. So I got it as 2 cosecant theta, which is equal to RHS. Interesting, right? If you practice these kind of problems, you will be in a position to solve most of the problems which come in your examination. Let me take other simple problems also. I have lineup of problems. I have written 20 of them. Okay, but this is only 20 minutes video, right? So I am supposed to do a question every minute, so which will be very difficult. Now let me give you one more question. Show that 9 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta is equal to 9. Okay, what you are supposed to do? Now you are well versed with all the identities. What is LHS? 9 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta. What will you do now? Tell me. So take 9 common. So that becomes 9 bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now it becomes 9 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So that is equal to 9. So which is equal to RHS. This is also clear to you. Okay, fine. This is very easy question. Okay, let me give you one more question here. Otherwise, I can write some of the questions as homework, and in the next class I can solve them. Take this as homework. Prove that 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Solve this. Okay. You may find it difficult at the first stage, but when you keep on solving, it becomes very easy. Next, all these are proved. Okay, 9 minus 9 sin square theta, 9 minus 9 sin square theta is equal to 9 over secant square theta. Okay, let me give you another question. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to tan square theta. Do this also. Okay, one more question, that is it is at the last. 9 plus 9 tan square theta, 9 plus 9 tan square theta is equal to 9 divided by cos square theta. Some are easy, some are little bit complex. All are through that. All these questions you have to prove. Simple, right? Guys, are you understanding what I am trying to say? These are very simple questions based upon trigonometric identities. So keep on studying. What are the trigonometric identities? Tell me. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Again, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are the 3 important identities, and based upon that we are solving most of the problems by using other things what we learned in the trigonometry. Okay, fine. So keep on studying. Thank you very much. Have a good day.